Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's June 6, 2023. We're here to talk about GameStop real quick to see if the hype is over and should you come through and actually dump your shares in GameStop. Now, why would I say that? Because when you look at the chart, we've been here before in GameStop when price came to 26 bucks. We've been here already. And what happened the last time was that price in GameStop, let me talk about it. It went down, and it occurred after earnings. Guess what? We're now getting that same indicator at the same price area. See, there's nothing new in the stock market. If we're going to get an indicator of weakness at the same price as what we saw on the 22nd of March of this year, just a couple of months ago, should we expect price in GameStop to go lower? Now, congratulations to you first. If you all predicted what we predicted in the market in GameStop on May the 11th, I told you then that we were looking for GameStop to go up. Market came through and grabbed our ultimate TP price right there on the 22nd. If you were to get out, that's 14% there. If you were to get out the market on the high yesterday, that's 23 and a quarter. Either way, you won. You beat out the market. This is what we do here. Even amidst everyone else in the YouTube space quitting making their videos, we are still here profiting from these predictions. Now, this area right here, I'm going to move this horizontal line here because obviously by us seeing weakness here and seeing it again, we need to identify that area as resistance. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to do for GameStop. Now, we understand that as long as GameStop's price trades below $26, give or take, the market is not bullish. Okay, next thing, we're going to create the trend that GameStop currently is on. Okay, so let me cut this line out the way because I don't want to cause any confusion. Now, it's doing a great run, and in life, all things must come to an end. Since May the 2nd, all the way until June the 5th, GameStop's price went up 42.5%. Fantastic. See, that's the problem with so many people on YouTube, is that they want you to hold these stocks for the next 60 years because they suspect that prices always go up. That's not the case. 42% in a month? Why not take that 42% out the market? You won. That is a great profit in a short amount of time. Why would you want to hold it for the next 60 years? Because you don't know, I don't know where GameStop is even going to be in the next 60 years. You have no idea. But you just know that you're going to come in and hold forever. Let's go ahead and take that out. So now we got this indicator here on the daily chart for GameStop. Okay, that's weakness, right? Charts don't lie. Volume came in high. We got the market run up yesterday, but it ended below. That's selling. Earnings for GameStop is coming up Wednesday, tomorrow, after market close. Will we see price dump in GameStop? Here's GameStop on the 2-day. Okay. Again, more indication that price is getting hit with selling. GameStop on the 3. Again, the daily, the 2-day chart, as well as the 3-day is giving us the same type of price bar. Here it is on the 5 and the weekly. Okay. 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, 5, and the monthly. I do like the monthly chart. This price bar right here, I do like that one because it shows me that the market, even though we may go lower in a short-term basis, seeing the market in GameStop trade like this over the last couple of months is telling me that there's some consolidation and that there's some buyers here. So that's in between like 26 bucks all the way down to 16. Okay. So now look at this. This is the 7-hour chart in GameStop. Okay, we saw the market here run up, but then immediately the next 7-hour price bar, we're coming right back down. Here's GameStop on the 5. Look at that weakness there on that 5-hour price bar. The volume also came through down there off of this 5-hour price bar. Charts don't lie. This was selling. Okay. And we're trading now below the highs of these 5-hour price bars. That's not good. We want to see the market in GameStop come back up, at least go above 25 bucks for us to know that buyers are still interested in GameStop. Okay. So yesterday's trading action, look at that. It was just nothing but selling going on into the market in GameStop. Right here. Market completely sold off yesterday. Okay, cool. So, what do you guys think? Do you think price in GameStop is going to hold this trend? Or do you think we're going to break it? Given that price is hitting $26 as resistance, just like it did back in March of this year, given that we're noticing weakness into the market and receive this indicator on the daily time frame of an up fake, I would suspect that there's a greater chance that price in GameStop is going to break that trend line. Okay. Now, will the market actually do that off of this earnings? Or will we actually see the market break above $26 off of the earnings? Because I would say that if the earnings come in better than what people are expecting, the market will hit 28. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this. I think there's a little bit more people nervous in GameStop as of this recording, and I think that will wane, especially if the earnings come out positive. But as of right now, we can only go off the information that we have now, and that definitely is reflecting that price in GameStop is weaker. Now, we're going to look for price in GameStop to dip to break this trend line, and I think our first target is going to be around 23. Okay. We'll look at around $23, which is around 6.59%. That's our first target. Second one's gonna be around 22. That's around 10.5%. And third target is gonna be 21. Now that only, as you all can see, takes us to the lows from mid-April, April 19, 2023. So it's not that big of a difference of price action, like a major crash or dump, but definitely something that we need to be watchful of. Okay, so I'm through. I'm going to hold these two lines here on the chart as reference point. If the earnings come in good and the market actually breaks 26, then I will have to cut this price prediction real quick, because like I said, the market's going to come up here to these prior highs from the ending of last year, 2022, right around here. So we'll see. Give me your thoughts and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.